Hey YouTube, I'm Faisha and this is Simply Lavish at Home. So I'm a little sad because this is going to be the last summer themed drink for Thirsty Thursday. So I decided to make a bit of a classic. Watch how I made this watermelon margarita. Check it out. I'm starting off this cocktail with just some watermelon in my blender cup. Now check it out. I broke my blender before making this drink. I broke the canister. And so I'm going to have to improvise and use my immersion blender to mix this drink. And to this I am adding some coconut water. Squeezing in some lime juice. Depending on how sweet your watermelon is, you may want to add some simple syrup to this to make it a little sweeter. Just a little splash of triple sec. And a big splash of tequila. And blend. So again, I only use my immersion blender because my canister on my stand-up blender is broken, so I had to improvise. Now that that's ready, pour that over some ice. Garnish with some lime, and you're all set. So let me know what you think. Like and share this video and leave your comments below. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to let you know every time I post a video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.